Hello, good day everybody. Quickly I want to show you how to buy this coin Luna with BUSD. Please, firstly, if you are here to subscribe to this channel, please kindly do so. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you are here to subscribe. Before you can buy Luna, you need to have BUSD. In our first video, we show you how to buy BUSD with your USDT. Yes, we have done that. You can search for the first part of this video. So now we have BUSD. We want to buy Luna now. So we want to buy Luna now. So all you need to do is to come to market to trade. So come to trade in this place. You can see it. You can see trade. Click on trade in that arrow. So just click on it. Then if you watch the first part of the video, you know how to search for a coin that you want to buy. All you need to do is to click on this place. Click on this place. Just tap on it. So this place. So we are a circle. So tap on it like this. Do you get it? So then on the search bar here, type Luna. That's what you want to buy. So you can only buy it with BUSD. You can see the rate of increase of that Luna, 1,482%. You can see it. So let's go for it. Now we are on Luna. So how many BUSD of it you now want to buy? Now if your own is still on limit, here you need to change it to market. Change it to market, then type the number of BUSD you have. You can see my home balance here of BUSD that I have. Look at it. Look at my balance. Available balance. You can see available balance. Look at it. I have 20. I believe you can see it. I have 20 of it. So now I will type the whole 20. That's what I want to buy. So just click on buy. It's as simple as that. This place. Click on it. Okay. Click on this buy Luna. So success. Good. Let's go and check it. So come to wallet. So come to wallet here. See wallet. Just tap on it. You can see wallet. So tap on it. So once you tap on it like this, you see our Luna. Good. So I have just bought 40,309 Luna with my 20 USDT. So let's keep watching what the rate of that Luna will be in a short time to come. So that is how to buy coin on Binance. If you have any coin you want to buy, we have it on Binance. So that is how to buy it. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you are here to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Share and like. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye for now.